Where have you all been for the past month? I haven't seen you anywhere. Oh, wait a minute. That was me that was gone. Well, for the past month, I've been on vacation with Debbie, a well-needed vacation. So, I'm going to tell you what's in store on Tom's Trains and Things in September or so. Check it out. I'm Tom Kovichak, and this is Tom's Trains and Things. This channel was created to help other modelers who are in need of guidance in pursuing their dream of building a model railroad. And I and Debbie have been on vacation for the past month. It was a well-deserved and much-needed vacation. And as you can see right here, I bought a few things while we were out there. In Annapolis, I went to Star Hobby, and in Baltimore, I went to M.B. Klein and bought a few things there. So check them out. Star Hobby, I'll put their link down here. You can buy a lot of things. They've been in business for over 30 years. And M.B. Klein, they've been in business 100 years or so, since 1913 or something like that. So yeah, that's over 100 years. Yeah. So check out those two hobby shops. And if you would like to see more videos like this and other videos on Tom's Trains and Things, go look at the playlist and subscribe. You know why? Because it's free. It doesn't cost you anything. And ding that bell, because you don't get notified unless you ding that bell. Alright, I'm in the elevator now. I gotta get this sound for ding that bell. So, once you ding that bell and I have a video coming out, it'll notify you, whether it's on your laptop, whether it's on your desktop computer, whether it's on your cell phone, which I don't have right here right now. But anyway, go check that out. Another thing I would like you to check out is Mark Hash's M&M Rails. We collaborated on something before I went on vacation, so go check out the video. I'll have a link to it there, and I'll show a little bit. I'll show his thumbnail right here. Check that out. He does a great job on entertaining the model railroader before he shows you how he's putting his new layout together. We're going to have some Q&As coming up, because I had some questions while I was on vacation and I didn't answer them. And I also got a email from Jeff Bunza right before I left, and I'll go over that with you in a video on one of the Q&A videos that I'm going to do in this month. So we got a lot of stuff that we're going to be working on. I got some stuff from Notch. This brick right here, each one of these things was only $6. I got this at Star Hobby, and it looks pretty good, and I'll be doing some walls on that. I got two of them. Let me see. They're a little bit over 2 foot long and 6 inches high. So we could do a lot of walls with that. And I got a lot of rolling stock, mostly Bachmann stuff. I got a lot of hoppers. And I got me a DCC locomotive, an RS3, that I've been looking for a long time, and I found that at M.B. Klein for $59.95. Not bad. It's not sound, but it's DCC, so we're going to be doing something with that later on also. So check it out. Check out Mark. Check out the hobby shops, M.B. Klein, model train stuff. And the link's going to be down below. And Star Hobby. And you can see the little thingy right there. They've been in business for about 30 years, and they got, I'll tell you what, I was amazed when I walked in there, and I'll show you a picture of their front right here. But they had the stuff, I mean, shelves all the way, let me see, 8 foot high, stocked with rolling stock, stocked with everything. They have everything from N scale all the way up to G scale, and they have Lionel stuff everywhere, LGB stuff everywhere. If you're into the big stuff, go check them out, Star Hobby, and check out M.B. Klein also. So that's what we got coming up in September. I'll have a lot of stuff because, oh, I forgot to tell you. Okay, here we went to Strasburg Railroad. Okay, got a little tote bag for nothing because I spent so much money there. Right across the street is Pennsylvania Railroad Museum, which we got a lot of stuff there. I put something on Facebook about it. I found the locomotive that I worked on when I worked at Monongahela Connecting Railroad. I'll show you a picture right there. Okay. Also, down the street a little bit was the Toy Train Museum. And I have a lot of video from there. A lot of good stuff on the shelves there. And they had operating layouts from N scale all the way up to G scale. Behind glass. Everything's behind glass. But anyway, I got some video of it and a lot of stills from it. Debbie took a lot of still photographs from there. And I took a lot of videos from there. Also, we went to Ellicott City. I haven't been there in... since I lived in Maryland. Okay, it is the first railroad station on the B&O line. And in the freight house, there is a model railroad there, an HO model railroad that depicts the 13 miles from Baltimore to Ellicott City. It's really nice. I got video of it. We went a lot of other different places. I wanted to see a lot of things, but I didn't get to see anybody. I want to apologize for not contacting anybody, but we had so many things to do. We were gone a month, and we just ran out of time. We didn't get to see everything that we wanted to see, but maybe next year, next summer, I'll allocate a little bit more time to go see a lot more up in Maryland and in Pennsylvania. I know I wanted to hit some model railroads up there, but I just didn't have the time when I was up there. I mean, things just went by so fast, and we just didn't get to see everything that we wanted to see, even though that we were gone for a month. But anyway, next year I'll get to see a lot more because I'll allocate a little bit more time. I actually only wanted to spend 2 weeks, but we spent a month. And I almost forgot, coming up this month on the 15th, Suncoast Center for Fine Scale Modeling is opening back up for their September through May third Saturday of every month. So we're going to go up there on the 15th, and on the 29th, Suncoast Model Railroad Club is having an open house and train show. So we'll be going up there on the 29th. So that's 2 more things that we're going to be doing. That'll probably come towards the end of the month, and maybe the train show in October. So look for that also. And for those of you following my Arduino series, you'll notice that I did the AT Tiny 85 the last month. I have AT Tiny 84, which has a little bit more inputs and outputs. I still haven't opened it up. But anyway, we're going to do that, and we're going to do some more Arduino Made Easy towards the end of the month and in October. So that's a lot of things that we got coming up for September and October. So we got a lot of projects coming. I got a lot of things here that I need to mess with on Tom's Trains and Things. So check it out, and we'll see you.